this video I'm going to tell you how to add extension of free VPN. This is completely free VPN, and you can see here there are many reviews. 700 reviews is not a bad thing, and this is completely free VPN. You can add American virtual. You can see here free VPN is a free VPN for Google Chrome. This allows you to change your IP and unlock sites. Free VPN is the fastest VPN for Chrome. The friendly design allows you to connect to VPN servers in any country, anywhere in the world within seconds. With servers in location around the world, you are able to unblock content that might not be available from your country, company, or school. You do not need to create any account or register. This is the best part, and this you do not need to create any account or register to use our service. Simply install our Chrome extension, and we will provide you with free access to server all around the world. You can see this is free access, 3.6 out of 5, and here you can see many ratings on this website. So you need to go to add extension from here. Now you need to go here, and you will see free VPN from here. That's it. The free VPN is it's done. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.